Hello there, and welcome to the weekly outlook. We're just going through the calendar and having a look at next week. There's not a great deal of announcements out. We've had quite a lot of economic data out in the last week. We do have the New Zealand monetary policy statement on Wednesday, which will be a bit of a focus, but really it's going to be all about the non-farm payroll that we just had on Friday. It does throw back into the mix a slightly stronger dollar, which is what we've kind of been sort of waiting for on these rallies with the Australian dollar, the euro, and the pound. So hopefully it's going to give us the opportunity to resell these in this coming week. So as usual, we will be looking for getting a little bit of a pullback, retesting areas of resistance, and then being able to sell them off again. So for instance, the euro, we'll be looking for that to retest that 11124 area, or possibly that pivot point there at 11130. That's been quite a big area of resistance in the past, and then we can be looking to sell that off from those sort of prices as well. Obviously, it will depend on candlestick patterns and seeing rejection at these prices and seeing sellers come back into the market, and then we can jump on board with them. The other one, obviously, the pound as well. We've already got a sell going on the Aussie dollar from the live room at 7.650, where it's rejecting this area here. Nice tight stop loss above 7.680. So we should be able to trade that down now over the next few days. We'll be looking for that to retest the 7.4, possibly the 7.3 area as well. So not too late to get on board there. There's still plenty of pips to be had out of that one. Okay, New Zealand dollar, bit of a sort of similar situation really. We've still got some room to breathe. We have got our overall focus on this at 6.8. We've had it there for a while, but obviously that weaker dollar that came through before this non-farm payroll did cause that to rally up a little bit. The RBNZ will be wanting a weaker New Zealand dollar anyway for their export, and we can see here we've got a classic head and shoulders reversal pattern here. So we've got the shoulder, the head there, and then the second shoulder and the breakout. So this will be looking to trade this one down as well. Again, looking for pullbacks and rejection of previous support, hopefully now becoming resistance. This area here should become resistance, so that'll be where we'll be looking to enter that one around about 7.150 with not too big of a stop there, so around about 7.220 above that swing back and that shoulder, and we'll be looking to trade that down to that 6.8 level. It could possibly go further down to 60 cents to the dollar, but we'll see how it behaves down at this price as well. Okay, so Aussie dollar, US dollar, euro, US dollar, and pound, US dollar next week. Just have a quick look at the pound as well. Obviously, we had a rate cut from the Bank of England. So again, a weaker pound there against the stronger dollar after better than expected non-farm payrolls. So we can be looking to trade this down as well. We've already had a pullback here and a rejection, and it's just started to make a new low on this sort of quite long-winded area of consolidation. So it'd be quite nice to be able to get into this again, as we've been avoiding it recently. So this will be looking to trade back down to 2.8, which is a retest of those post-Brexit lows. But again, looking for a pullback. We'll see where it opens up on market, but at the moment it's not too far away from the price. You can see there we've just had a little bit of a rejection there of that 131 area. It would be nice to retest that again. If not, we could be going in there at that market price of around about 130.50. Stop loss will be above this swing back here, so around about 131.90, and again a nice long take profit order on that one. Let's just put the risk reward ratio on there and see where we're at if we do go in at market. Look at this one. Okay. Yeah, So we got a 1.8 to 1 there, which is a good initial take profit. Some analysts do expect it to drop to 1.2 flat. I think that's a little bit far, maybe 1.25. So if we do target 1.25 after the 1.28 is broken through, then that's going to give us a 3.8 to 1 risk reward ratio, which is more than acceptable. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully you can make some pips, and we'll see you in the live room. Cheers for now.